How to take burst photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the Camera Settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, turn on the Use Volume Up for Burst feature as shown. Now, go back and open the camera. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. Here, press your volume up button to take burst photos. After that, tap on the photos at the bottom left corner. As you can see, you have taken multiple burst photos. Following these steps, you can easily take burst photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.